Guys, today we're the Fantastic Three.
And our other partner is not here.
Yes, and today we're gonna make cake, vanilla cake in microwave. We just mixed our cake
Before.
Yeah, we just needed the instruction was right here. We're just going to spray our bowl. With, either you can do it with grease it with butter. We just sprayed it with butter cooking spray. And now we're gonna mix it until it becomes smooth. And we added egg and a little bit of oil and one glass of, make sure it's vegetable oil and a glass of water.
Let me say this clearly. You would want to add some of super moist mix.
What do you mean some? Like we just added the whole thing.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna dip
The whole thing in this bowl.
yeah, but we need this.
You could do it with a butter, like smush it all over with butter, or put cooking spray.
Right. I'm getting like all the cake out. Just getting all the cake out. Please like and comment, subscribe below if you liked our recipe.
So you might want to pour it right.
No. Can you hold this? Sorry. So actually you can keep it somewhere else. Can you hold the bowl?
Yeah. You gotta hold your bowl. Yay.
And then dip it in one. What I did is just dip it in one place,
And
it
spreads.
But you can spread it out yourself. Trying to put the whole thing in.
Looks like tuna.
Wait, hold the bowl like straight. Hold the bowl.
Yeah.
Make sure you hold the bowl straight. Everything is still dropping.
Drop, 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 drop.
Okay, now can you put the glass down?
If there's still stuff, you could just take it out by your hair.
Or whisk. We usually use the whisk. So if it's stuck on your whisk, then
You get a lot.
yeah. But we got a lot. You can use a bigger bowl or a pan bowl. And this is microwave
Okay.
yeah. And this is a microwave bowl that you can put in the microwave.
So if you're like going to store, I prefer you go to Walmart and buy these that you can cook in this.
You can easily get the cake mix anywhere, any grocery store. We got it from Tops. I'm just scooping everything out. As you can see, there's still stuck, but not all of them matters. I'm a little bit messy.
So you want to shake the whole thing. It's like all messy like
Hey! It's gonna drop! And now you can just shake it so it's equal. That's what we wanted to do. And now we're gonna put that in the oven. Just let that sit for a while.
Like 2-3 minutes or something.
Like 2-3 minutes. And then before you put it, what we see is like right here. What we see is like bubbles around, just like bubbles right on the edges, and some yellow butter.
Yeah, you might want to shake it.
Yeah, it's okay. And now we're gonna be putting it in our oven. Here's our oven. I mean microwave. And we put it in without even putting anything on the top. And now we're just gonna put it for about 6 minutes and let that bake. And then we're gonna wait for 6 minutes. Till then, we're gonna make frost. No, actually we're not gonna do no frosting. So then come here. Wait. We're gonna be making dough.
shadow.
Actually, what we have is a little frosting, and really little. This time we have really little. So what I thought to do is eventually just like put food coloring, any food coloring you like, and mix it. But before that, we're needing it to be heated. So you have to wait for that to be done. Until then that's done, I'm going to be showing all the pictures on Facebook and all over, and also YouTube. So when that's done, we're gonna show the pictures. So thank you for watching, and if you like our recipe, please like and comment down below.
Also subscribe.
Yes. Bye.